How to create and make cool Instagram story with Canva app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a cool and good Instagram story with Canva. So all what you have to do is go to Canva. As you can see, this is the home page. Now all what you have to do is go down here, click on this plus icon right here, and then it will give you many options right here, but you have to choose the Instagram story option. Click on it like this and wait a few seconds, and here you go. Now here is the story template. Choose one of these. Okay, let's choose this one, for example, right here. Click on it, and now you will be able to change the text and change anything you want fast and easy as you can. How to, as you can see here, you can change those or the website, and don't forget to like and subscribe.